Okay, so here we are with the Horsch Sprinter range. This is the Horsch 12NT Sprinter. This machine is basically designed in Australia and built in Germany, basically. So what we've done, we've come up with this configuration. So a lot of Australian farmers are asking us, we'd love to have a set of cutting coulters in the front to size residue, stop soil explosion off the tine, get a little bit more speed out of the machine. So Horsch have come up with this beauty for us. So basically you've got your cutting coulters here in front on your first rank, and then your second rank here is attached to tines, so 3 ranks of tines. You notice up in here, this is the rubber torsion system. So the rubber torsion system is very, very soft on the mechanism and you haven't got any pins and bushes to wear out. So the longevity of that has been fantastic, and they've lasted a long time. There's a hydraulic cylinder which puts pressure on this rock shaft, so it rotates this rock shaft, and then what happens with that, it transfers the force through the rubber torsion systems to your point. We actually achieve around 900 pounds breakout in old terms. That's what that breakout is. So you screw up the pressure comes up, turns this rock shaft at 25 degrees. That's the maximum pressure, and it's around 900 pounds old money. The new machine here has got about 1 metre under frame clearance. So from here to the ground, you'll notice is 1 metre. So from there to the ground's 1 metre, which is really good. Sorry, from here to the ground under frame clearance is 1 metre. So that gives you really good trash flow through the machine. They've done that by increasing the length of this shank here and putting on this trash guard. That's a stainless steel trash guard, and we found that really, really good last year in heavy residues, and the trash just it went through this machine very well. A couple of quick other things to adjust your depth. It's just a really simple, you get a simple tool in here, a screwdriver, or there is a tool that comes with the machine. Put it in there, it pops that spring off, these teeth come out of mesh, and then you move it to whichever height you want. A couple of different press wheel options. This is the round press wheel option. We do have a V-shaped press wheel there for different soil conditions, and now we've gone to a steel rim, which has proven to be very, very reliable. These machines come in configurations, the 12 metre and the 18 metre, come in size 10, 12 and 15 inch spacings. There is the metric equivalent, of course, so that's your 250, 300mm and 381 for the 15 inch equivalent. Here's the cylinder I was talking about that controls the force onto your rock shaft, and as we said, we can get very good down pressure through that onto the tine. The tine here is these have got a tungsten tile here, and it's only a little thing, but that's instead of having a flat tile, that's in a V shape. So when the soil hits that, it's not exploding as much, and because it's hitting where a slot is, it's not exploding. It's not exploding soil off the front of the tine, so that's a really good thing. We've been able to get 10 to 11. Some guys have done 11 kilometres now with these machines at 12 inch spacing without any noticeable soil throw over in the next row, which is pretty good for a tine machine. These tines are really solid. I'm yet to hear of one of those bending. They've been very good, and I think that's another feature of the rubber torsion system up there that doesn't allow. You can get a bit of movement like this, but this up and down here, when that pressurizes, it's solid. You can't, you'll struggle or you can't lift this. If you tried to lift it, there's no way you can. We actually do a test. We put some down pressure on this, and we get a car jack or a bottle jack, and put it underneath the tine. Say that tine there, we pressurize it, put it underneath. We can lift that tine up around about 400 millimeters. We can jack it up, and it doesn't move the tines beside it. So you can see there's some very good ground following ability with that. The wheel assemblies, this is a 12 metre machine, so these are set up, the centre section here is set up at 3 metres. So your centre wheels here are 3 metre axles. So what we do is, and then that outer one, it's on the 12 metre. So this machine is set up so for control traffic. Another, really neat feature with this machine is its ability to side shift. So what a lot of people like to do is to do inter-row seating. So this is a 12-inch machine. So what people have got the ability to do is, if they want to side shift, and I'll just show you up here where this is. That's basically a 6-inch spacer there. You take that spacer out, move that machine across. It moves the machine across actually 6 inches, so into that inter-row, and you add another tine on the other side, and there you go. You've got your inter-row seating machine. The frame, really well built frame. Again, the frame's got the 3 cross members, really good quality steel again with seamless tubing, and these machines have been fantastic for us. Once again, you've got 4-bolt onto the torsion rubbers here, so a 4-bolt system, and very reliable and